Wait for it. Here it comes.
So guys, my crankshaft sensor has taken a shit. I am in a Home Depot parking lot and the car is just bugging out. And it's about 10 o'clock at night. And we're about to swap the sensor out. I got my girl bringing the X5 with all the tools and necessities. We're gonna put the car on ramps. Got my blanket. I got a headlamp, and we're about to get to it. Stressful. So, 9:50 p.m. Let's see how long this is gonna take us to do. I got my trusty dome light. Hope it's charged. But yeah, stuck in the parking lot. I could basically let it, cool down for an hour or two and then try to do it. But we're gonna try to get the sensor. It should be somewhere down there. I think it's the one with the white wires over there. You can't really see it in the video. Right around. Yeah, I can't really tell, to be honest. It's really hard. But it's somewhere down there. I gotta take the heat shielding off on the bottom and try to get to it. Yep. So last night didn't work out.
What a bunch of fucking bullshit.
It was too late and too dark. And I actually did not have the right tool. So I learned that it's not a E-Torx, it's actually a hex.
Nice.
So it's a size 4 hex. Should have looked at this before I started yesterday, middle of the night, but to each their own, mistakes do happen. So this is the original part from BMW, and as you can see, it's a hex. So today we're gonna try again. Let's see how we get it. All right, so we're under the M340, as you guys can tell. All right, I'm gonna try to make, I have another clip I'm gonna insert, but basically this right here, this wire leading right there is going to be your crankshaft sensor. Let me put the flash on my phone and then I'll lift the phone up and you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. I'll get a little bit of a close-up, but you're essentially going to be using the hex key. I'm inserting it first into the bolt because it's very hard to align with the ratchet on with the socket. And then you're obviously lefty loosey, righty tighty. You're taking it off. I know it says usually to pull the connector out first, but I'm going to try to do it without pulling the connector out first, pulling it out as one piece and then disconnecting it once I have it in this area, because it's really hard to reach that connector. So that's the bolt right there. That's the hex one. And yeah, I think I got it out all the way. I'm going to feel around my finger. What the fuck? And then I'm just going to try to pull the connector out together with the clip. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so the screw is loose because I can loosen it by hand. And we got the crankshaft sensor out. Oh my God! Wow! Alright guys, so the connector is out. This is my original one that I had in the car, and this is the new one. It already comes with a screw, so don't be scared of losing it. Yeah, let's go install the new crankshaft sensor. And then we'll take the car for a little joyride and see if the code comes back. I'll also drop the code, like a screenshot of the code of what I was getting, in case you guys were wondering what the code is gonna pop up to know when you need to replace the sensor. Otherwise than that, it is a bitch. All right guys, so let me just find it. New sensor is installed. You can do it! We got it in. So I'm about to start the car, take it for a drive. And what I did was I put the sensor in first by hand, and then I tightened the bolt by hand. So I didn't have the hex socket in the ratchet. I just used my hand to tighten it till it was hand tightened. And then I did a few clicks because these have a very low torque spec. I don't have a torque wrench, obviously, but you know, by hand you can feel it out, make sure it's good. And that's about it, boys and girls. That's how you do it, your cruise sensor on an M340 without a shop on the street. Let's get it, boys.